So dahil puro work na lang ang buhay natin lately, I decided to go out with my friends today sa UPTC. So this is me, and these are my friends, yes. So sakto, Jack's Lemonade asked me to try out some of their drinks today. So try natin. I got the Strawberry Yakult Lemonade and the Berry Cheesecake kasi cute sila pakinggan. So ayan, ang cute nga ng Strawberry Lemonade. And then may cheese pala talaga siya. So ito yung Blueberry Cheesecake. So ayan, ang cute ng drink. So let's try it out. I'll start with the blueberry cheesecake. And I liked it kasi para talaga siyang blueberry cheesecake na drink. Ganun talaga yung vibes niya. Pero personally, mas gusto ko tong strawberry lemonade kasi mas gusto ko yung lasa talaga ng lemon na maasim. Ganun. Anyways, pinapili ko din yung friends ko kung ano yung mas gusto nila sa dalawa. So here's Gabby tasting the strawberry Yakult lemonade. But he liked the blueberry cheesecake more. And Varias also like the blueberry cheesecake more because, ayun, ayaw daw niya sa maasim, mas gusto daw niya yung sweet. And yeah, ito yung mas gusto ko, yung strawberry Yakult lemonade. But my friends like the sweeter one, which is the blueberry cheesecake. So, ayun lang guys. Thank you so much.